Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els, and I'm going to share this. This is I went to Sabrina's sale, and I bought some things, and I wanted to share. You know, because it's good to share. Where's some scissors? There they are. Okay, scissors in the little hole. Make a bigger hole. To make sure I don't cut anything here other than tape. Honestly, I don't even remember what I got. But I got some stuff. Okay, let's see. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Alright, so first things first. I got a very nice thank you card from Sabrina. Oh, okay, I remember what I got. So I got this. It's a little die set, and it's like just rainbows. And I really liked this one, like the straight rainbow. And you know, you can cut the you got dies for some of them. This one doesn't have a die, but you know, it's not that hard to cut that out. So, you know, I got that. I like that. And then I got this. It's just a giant freaking cupcake. And I love it. Isn't that awesome? It's just a giant freaking cupcake. This thing is huge. Let me get the ruler out. This thing is 5 3/4 inches long and about 4.5 inches wide at its widest point. And look, it comes in pieces, so I can do, like, you know, different things. I can do just like plain white in the back, and it could be a chocolate cupcake or a strawberry cupcake or a blueberry cupcake, and I can do different colored package wraps, you know, and I like it. So she had that in her sale, and I wanted it, so I got it. And it's already in a plastic thing that'll fit in my category sleeves, so I can put it in my sleeves. Except I've messed it up here. It's too stinking cute. I'm gonna have to cut a bunch of these and give them to the hags. She'll go, "Why do you keep giving me cupcakes?" And I'll go, "Just because I want to." But this one, I'm gonna put in a collection. Oh, wrong one. Let me get the other one. Of my fast grab stuff. This is stuff I just grab all the time, you know? Because I like the little rainbows. They're cute. They're so stinking cute. Alright, so I'm going to put that up there, and then this is going to go in my box. And I got a beautiful thank you. I will put a link to Sabrina's channel in the description box below. If you have not been to Sabrina's channel, go check it out. She does some really cool sales, and she does a lot of Michael's grab bag hauls. So she gets a lot of new stuff, and she sells it really cheap, okay? And she either sells on her channel or she sells on Tina's channel. She sold in my yard sale once, but in my flea market. But she's been selling more on her channel lately. So go check her out, okay? That's it. Thanks. Bye.